How to fix Valorant packet loss. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Windows. You have to press the right button and here you have to select the Windows. Now once you're in the Windows, you have to go on your Windows settings and here you have to go on the network and the internet. After that, you have to click on this advanced internet setting and here you have to disable your internet connection and add up a suitable network connections. After adding this, you have to go back to your Valorant and here you have to log out from your account. After logout, you have to again log in or made up the new account. Packet loss occurs when data packets sent through the internet fail to reach the destination. These issues often take place due to network connections or the transmission errors. So you have to fix your network connection and add up a strong network. After that, you are able to fix Valorant packet loss.